Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to change color of notes in Instagram. Alright, so let's begin with the video. If you've been searching for a way to change Instagram notes color to gold, pink, or blue, you've come to the right place. First of all, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're on Instagram, tap the message icon at the top right corner of your home screen. Here you will see all of your chats. At the top of your chat list, you will see the Notes section to add a new note. Tap on your note at the beginning of the Notes section. Now a new screen will appear in the Note text field. Type a short message to change the color of the note. Include specific words in your text. If you want to make your note pink, include words like mindful, cutacy, or considerate along with your text. Then share the note. Your note will change to a pink color. To make your Instagram no blue, include words like Sabrina, taste, or nonsense, then share the note. Your note will change to a blue color. If your note's color is not changing, that means this feature is not available in your region. So wait for Instagram to add this feature in your region. After that, apply these words and that's it. You can also use certain emojis in your notes to change the background color. Once you have added your note, your friends and followers will see it in a different color. So that's basically how you can change color of notes in Instagram. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.